So hello guys, I'm your host by once again new video. So there's a great news for you guys, and that's that Panda Helper has been re-signed again. So quickly watch this video and quickly go to the Panda Helper and install all the tweak apps and games for you guys. So let's get into the video. So what you need to do is in Safari or in any browser, just go on to the link which would be given in the description below, and on you would come onto this page. So what you would do is that you need to download any game. These are the games which has been re-signed again. So you can download everything over here, and it is, and as you could see, private certificate less revoked. So let's download CoinMaster. Press on install without clone, and after that still install free version, and it would just say install. Would you like to install CoinMaster? Let's revoke of press install, of course we want, and after that it would just load up on your screen. Over here, as you could see, CoinMaster, it is loading up. So when it is installed, we will come back into the video. So as you can see, CoinMaster has been installed without any revoke. Just press on CoinMaster, it would say untrusted enterprise developer. What you need to do is that go to settings. In settings you need to go to general. In general you need to scroll down to device management. Just click on device management, and after that, as you will see, press trust and trust again. So as you can see, it has been verified, and just click on CoinMaster and boom, as you can see, it works. Active CoinMaster and Panda Helper works. It hasn't been revoked yet, so just hurry up and download your tweak apps and games on your iOS device. So that's it for today guys. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video, but before ending the video, please like, share, subscribe and comment. So that's it for today guys. Thanks for watching guys. See you in next video. Peace.